If you're looking for a heavy-duty, customizable luggage tag, this is it, guys. You order them with your name, phone number, and address right on there. No need to handwrite every time you go take a flight and you have those paper little latch-on things from the airline. Oh my gosh. I got one personalized for myself, so I'm not gonna spin that around, but I will show you. This is the pink, so cute. This is the blue, and this is the generic one I got so I could show you. I was sent these to review from My Sign Center store. I love them not only because they have your information on them, but the pop of color will like really help you find your luggage as it's coming out of the baggage claim. Here it is. It's a heavy duty hard plastic. You put your name, your address, your phone number. It's not visible on the other side. It's a little bit see-through, but not really. This is a really unique too. It's this heavy duty metal. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is not going to just rip off of your bag like those paper ones. You just feed it through. This little bit is gonna slide to the end, and you feed it through your strap, and then that is just going to twist to secure. Boom. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Let me tell you, this is not just great for your bag, luggage. This is great for kids putting on their backpacks. They could even like wear it as a necklace under their clothes, like your toddler or something. Like think about when you go to Disneyland and how worried you are that your kid's gonna get separated. This can really bring you peace of mind. They are 2 inches by 2 inches, a nice size, lightweight, waterproof, so durable. And they come in a ton of colors, so you can get the color you like best, have a different color for each person in your family. Then everyone can quickly pick out their bag at baggage claim. It's so easy. These are so great. I love them. I can't wait to start using, not this one, this one. If you're looking for luggage tags, these are really nice and high quality. I'm super impressed.